Hello, today is Saturday, July 13th, and this is Camp Kelly. We just came in from Ice House Saddle. If you diverge this trail to the left, you'll keep on going to Ontario Peak, and if you follow the rocks to the right, then you will kind of enter camp. We were here last week and we couldn't find for the life of us the spring, but we heard there was a spring here and finally we found it. So I didn't see this anywhere else online on how to find the spring other than it's to the right. So I'm going to bring you over there. So here it is. There's a fork. If you were coming down from Ontario Peak, you could follow this left. And this is apparently an old ruin of some old camp. So you follow the rocks to the right here, and there's a couple spots that are pretty flat to camp, and there's some old foundation ruins that you could potentially camp over there too. No fires permitted, but you can tell that people have made some. Lots of nice flat space here. And again, on to the right, there's two nice flat campsites, and they even have some kind of old beam logs to sit on. There's Scott setting up the tent. And now we keep on walking. It doesn't look like there's any trail at all, but if you keep on walking down, I've lost the trail already myself. I think it's this way. Keep on walking. Hug the side of the mountain. Oh, this looks kind of trail-esque again. Oh, and you can kind of pick up a trail-looking thing. So this is not just a couple yards from camp or a couple yards off the trail. You got to really know where to go to find it. And lo and behold, off in the short distance, you know, this doesn't run year-round, but we had a wet winter, and so happens to be that it's running in July. And here she blows. A little spring of Camp Kelly. Happy trails, guys.